Hi, I'm Jeremy with XTech Tactical. Today I'm excited to announce our new XFlare Magwell. This Magwell is injection molded out of our proprietary glass-filled nylon. These things are nearly indestructible. However, they will go before your receiver is going to be damaged. So we always believe in a sequence of events or things you want things to break in, and obviously we don't want to break your receiver. However, these are by far the most durable polymer option on the market today. So we're going to quickly just install it. What comes in the packaging is laid out on the table here. It's just the back half, front half, and the two bolts. So simply, you're going to take the front half here and slide it onto the receiver. Again, it's very obvious. You got some troughs in there. Slide that forward, and then you're going to take the back piece here and slide it forward as well. And then from there, you'll just take the two bolts that are provided and screw those suckers in. Like so. And kind of like car tire, we recommend not going all the way tight on one side and just kind of going side by side for the last few turns. And you'll get her home. You can see that gap closing up nicely just like you want. They are threaded inserts, so you can use a decent amount of force, but nothing crazy. If you're using a torque wrench by chance, we really wouldn't go over 15 pounds. So now it's installed. We're going to test it to see if we have any slop in there. This one does not. If it did have slop, what we recommend using is just, we have some grip tape laying around here. And you can just cut little strips of them in like so, and then you would just stick these guys. You can use electrical tape, compression tape, whatever. In this larger front half, and just set them inside the trough like this. We can zoom in there and you can kind of see we did a couple strips there for an old, I think it was Tactical Life receiver, where we just had some movement. Actually, that in Radical from about 10 years ago, and that's going to clean up any slop you have in the Magwell. Now, when you look down in it compared to our competition on the market, we spent a ton of time making sure we did not create a step or a ledge. So as I go along here, you'll see there is no catch point introduced. So I really felt there was no point in having a Magwell that had a catch point along these surfaces on the side. So it really looks nice. We will be doing these in different colors this year. One other thing we're going to do to really help like 300 blackout guys out there, we left a spot in the tooling where we can mark the caliber. So we'll have 5.56, we'll have 300 blackout, other things people ask us for, we're definitely down to do. But for me, as someone who runs both 5.56 and 300 blackout quite a bit, if I'm running a 300 blackout setup, I'm always very cautious at the range to make sure everyone at the range knows what it is. But having some larger font that kind of signals there's a difference in caliber, I think is another helpful tip there. So that's the extent of it. Lifetime warranty, like almost all our products. It really couldn't be more simple for installation. So you guys are definitely welcome to use Loctite on these. I would recommend before you do, kind of doing that test fit, screw them all the way down, make sure you have no wiggle in it. As you know, with vibration, things have a tend to back out with bolts. So feel free to use your Loctite of your choice. But again, definitely do a test run beforehand. But these could not be simpler to use. They really make a difference and still, don't look gaudy on the rifle. I think it's just a nice clean upgrade. These are going to MSRP for $39.95. We will be doing a special at launch for a 2-pack, so keep eyes out for that. And we welcome any reasonable NATO-style torture tests. I mean, these things are built to last, really high quality, and made right here in the U.S. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and please like and subscribe, comment, tell us what else you'd like to see from us. If there's different versions you'd love to see, colors, we're looking right now at what expansions we want to do for this product line. Thanks again.